The Khun Hynniewtrep National Awakening Movement or Khnam leader Thomas Passah at a press conference held today informed that although there are as many as 9 aspirant candidates to the assembly elections scheduled for the 27th of February this year, yet the party has decided not to field any this time but will instead focus on the MDC elections that are to be held in 2024.
Last Monday, we had a meeting at the CSC level to discuss the upcoming election. And in the last week also, we have gathered all the leaders in our district level. And after thorough study of the strength of the party at the grassroots level, on the Monday CC meeting, we have decided that the party will not be fielding any candidates in the upcoming elections. And we have also decided that we will concentrate our strength, our time in strengthening the party once again. And we'll prepare ourselves for the upcoming MDC election. And while discussing whether we should give ticket or not to the 9 aspirants who have applied ticket from the party, we have done some studies and all, and after careful verification, we have found out that it will not be wise, because to field a candidate just for the namesake, I don't think it's an ideology of the party. And at the end of the day, we know our strength, and I don't think we should be ashamed of telling that the party is in a very weak condition. And our objective right now is to strengthen the party, and so that we can participate in the other elections that will be coming.